Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name's Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. So today I am going to a Christmas party for work. So I decided to film what I'm doing for my makeup because I wanted to go super glam, because how often are you able to do that? I'm wearing a little black dress, but I'm also doing my friend's makeup, so I'm not going to be putting that on yet because I don't want to get makeup all over it. But that's her. That's Cassidy. She's my wife. But I just wanted to show you guys how I decided to do my makeup today. This is extremely glam for Christmas, but I thought that it was super Christmas with that gold glitter and red lip. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, just follow along. Okay, so I'm going to begin with doing my eyebrows. They're basically gone at this point. So I just use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in taupe. Then I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil. I'm just gonna draw on those brows. Alright, and then I'm gonna prime my eyes using my Inkblot eye primer. By the way, this is Cassidy. It's my wife. I lived with her downtown, and we're going to a Christmas party later for our job at the aquarium, and I'm gonna be doing her makeup after I do my own. I decided to film this, so she's gonna be in the background a little bit. Oh my god, Night is going nuts! I'm going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette for the most part today, but I'm also going to be doing glitter, so that obviously will not be from this palette. So I'm just going to set my eyes using an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush and the shade White Chocolate right up here. And I just set that eye primer to make blending a little bit easier. It tastes like next, I'm going to start darkening my crease, and I'm going to do that by putting a little bit of milk chocolate into my crease using a fluffy brush. This one's from Bond and Hide. This eyeshadow literally tastes like chocolate too. Like, I get some fallout or whatever, and I can taste it, and it tastes like chocolate. And then I'm going to start darkening that crease by using Semi-Sweet, which is this brown right here. I'm just going to be more placing that in like the socket and blending that out, not completely all the way in my crease. Next I'm going to be going in with Triple Fudge, which is this dark brown, and I'm mostly just focusing this on the outer third of my eye, just to really deepen everything up.
Do you guys want to go to McDonald's with me?
Ooh. Well, then I will be right back with half makeup on my face. It's fine, I'll do glitter in a second. I'm going to McDonald's. Okay, so I'm back like an hour later, but it's fine. So next I'm going to just be priming my eyes with my NYX glitter primer and a little flat shader brush. I have no idea what brand this is because I think I just got it online somewhere. So I just squirt some on the back of my hand, like so. And then I paint it on where I want the glitter to go. Oh my, I have like no lighting now. You just can't say no to a McDonald's run though, you know?
The nuggets be talking to me sometimes.
Them nuggets! The glitter that I'm going to be using is also from NYX, and it is this pretty gold one. I don't think it literally just called gold. I just haven't found the best way to put this on Like, I usually try and put some in the lid, and not a lot comes out. Nothing just came out. But I'm just gonna pack this all over where I have that glitter primer. By the way, I'm now joined by my roommate as well.
Whoa.
We got a full audience today. I'm a little bit nervous. So that is one eye. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then I will be right back. Okay, so the other eye is done, and then I just go over with that darkest brown triple fudge shade and I just blend that back into the corner to really transition those glitter. That glitter, I don't know what I'm talking about. Words are hard. And then, of course, I'm going to be doing winged eyeliner. So again, I'm just using my NYX black liner. This is basically just like sponsored by NYX, it's fine. Not sponsored because I'm not making any money, but it's fine. So that is a big wing, and then I'm gonna do the other eye. Alright, so that is the eye look before mascara and all of that. Next is my face. I actually got a new foundation because CoverGirl is now cruelty free. So I have a CoverGirl foundation because my Wet n Wild one is basically done. So that I will not be using anymore. And I was gonna buy a new one, but I decided to try something new. So for primer today, I'm gonna be using my Cover FX blurring primer. And then for foundation, I have two type of new things. So for my foundation today, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made foundation. And this is the shade L40 Classic Ivory. I'm just hoping that it's not too light. I tried it out in the store, but you know how that really goes. And then also, I have a new sponge. So they had a Black Friday deal where there was no shipping, so I actually bought one. This is the Juno & Company Microfiber Velvet Sponge. And I know this has been all over YouTube. I've heard that it's absolutely great, and it's way cheaper than a beauty blender. And it's actually the same price as like a Real Technique sponge. So we'll see. So this is what it looks like. It's really soft. I don't know if I'm supposed to wet it like a normal sponge. So I'm gonna go wet the sponge and then I will be right back. Okay, so I wet it and actually got a decent amount bigger. And it has this flat sides, which I think is for your foundation. I normally used to use like the butt of it, but there's a hole there, which I don't really want to get foundation in. I also don't really know how much of this foundation to use. So I'll just be doing one pump at a time. Yay! Got the right color! Because I'm super pale right now because I haven't been out in the sun in forever. It sounds like it's dry. It's really weird. I do like that this foundation has a pump. I much prefer those pumps rather than the stick that the Wet n Wild one had. It just feels more sanitary and I feel like I can control how much product I use pretty well. I know that's why a lot of people don't like the pumps. I don't know, I like it. I like this foundation. It looks pretty good. I don't know how good it's gonna look like at the end of the night, but we will see. It is oxidizing, so it's definitely going on lighter and then drying a bit darker, which I normally don't like, but the color that it's drying into looks good, so it's not really a big deal. The only thing I'm nervous about is about my neck. Because when it's oxidizing, it is a tiny bit darker than my neck. But I wouldn't have wanted to get it any lighter. So the foundation looks pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks pretty flawless. I like this sponge. It's really like soft. I don't know. Actually, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to cream contour today. So I have one of these almost mermaid brushes that I always use. It's by True Beauty. And I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour cream kit. And this is the medium kit because I could not find one in light. So I just dip into this middle shade right here and I just very lightly contour my cheeks. And then I have a little one of those to do my nose. And for my nose, I actually just dab it in with my finger because I don't want the sponge to pick up any product. And then for the rest of my face, I blend it in with that sponge. So I'm going to use this like kind of corner button and just blend that in. And I try not to blend around because I really want that product to stay in the same spot. I just kind of keep dabbing it over and over and over again. So this sponge dries out really fast. So I don't know if I'm supposed to like keep wetting it or like what. Oh, if you squeeze it, it gets wet again. It's wet on the inside. Okay, that's kind of odd. Learning. Then for concealer, I'm going to be using my Ulta Beauty concealer. This is in the shade Light Neutral. Stuff blends, or this blends so well. I'm loving this sponge. And then I use my RCMA powder to set everything into place. And I've just dabbed it into this old Coty Airspun lid. And then for under my eyes, I'm gonna go in with this little pencil brush by IBY Beauty. And then back into my chocolate bar palette with that deepest shade Triple Fudge. And I'm just gonna drag this all along my lash line because I really want this to be smoky. And then for highlighter, I'm going to be going in with my Tarteist Pro Glow, and this is in the shade, to be completely honest, I don't know because I've rubbed off the shade. I'll put it in the description bar down below once I find it. And I just put some on my finger, and I dab it on the highest portions of my cheeks. And this stuff dries really fast, so I tend to just work it in immediately. My nose, my cupid's bow, and a tiny bit for my brow bone. I have this Milani eyeshadow that I've had for absolutely ever. I don't even know if they make this anymore. It's in the shade Lily White. And I love this stuff for my inner corner because it really, really pops. And then for mascara today, I'm going to be using my Wonder Beauty Unlashed mascara. And then before I put on my falsies, I'm going to set my face using my Cover FX setting spray. And then I'm just going to put on some falsies and be right back. Okay, so lashes are on. I used my Lashaholic Luxury Lashes in, I think these are, oh, I can't remember what these are called. Oh, Glam. Aha, it's on the side. And then finally, it is lips, and my lips are my favorite part. So for my lips, I'm going to be using my favorite lipstick of all time. So this is my Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Lady Balls. And this is the perfect red Lady Balls. Alright, so this is the final look. I'm just going to take my hair down and I will be right back. Okay, so that's the final look. In a little bit, I'll just throw my dress on and then I am all ready to go. And so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys have any suggestions of what you want to see, leave a comment down below. What's up, Cassidy? And if you guys like me, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye.